I think we have a new bed here. Do you want that to be your new bed?
What?
Do you want that to be your new bed?
No.
No?
I didn't like that. This is robot. This is a cartoon. Hi. Wait up.
Are you going to stand it up again?
No.
Where's who? No, please don't touch the fireplace. Thank you. Oh. Tomorrow. Go see Papa.